Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones XIAOMI Buds 3T Pro to the application. Firstly, we should pairing them with the phone, so if you did it, just go to the step 2. Now open the settings, Bluetooth, open the charging case and press and hold functional button for a few seconds until the light starts blinking. Here we go. Now click on your headphones, hide the settings and open the application. Add earphones. Now it should locating them. And if it can't, try to go back, and as you can see, it's just connecting. It's some bug of the application. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!